Today, we will draw an ice pop. We will put line here to separate the color that we put right after this. Here it is. And now let us color the stick of the ice pop. I will put brown for the stick. Cool! And now we will color the pop. The first layer I put green. And the next layer is red. That's cool, right? And the next is yellow. Nice! And now, I will put blue for this layer. Almost done. In this layer I will put pink and finally, done. Thank you for watching.